So what you can also do is you can go ahead and preview out files easily inside of Adobe Bridge. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto the images folder right here. And as I click on any image, you can see that you see the preview over here on the right hand side, just like this. So let's say I want to go ahead and make this full screen. In that case, I can go around over here and press the space bar right here in the preview area, and you can see that it becomes full screen right there. Press space bar again, and then it goes out right here just like this. You can go around onto the TutuTube drive, as you can see right here, and then you can go around onto, let's say for example, certain medias right here like video, and you can go ahead and play the video out, as you can see as well. So just like this, you can go around over here and you can see that the space bar in this case actually goes ahead and plays and pauses this out right here. You can also go around over here onto workspace and then go to the preview mode right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you get a much more larger preview area, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go around over here and select out another type of documents like PDF documents right here. Press the space bar right here, just like this. This is a 100% document. You can scroll in and out right here, and then that is the preview that you have. And then over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and change around the pages right here, just like this as well. And then press the space bar right here and utilize the arrows right here, left and right arrows, to go ahead and then, let's say for example, change out the pages of the PDF document, or you can go around and access out the other files as well by utilizing the arrow keys as well. So that is how you can go ahead and preview out files such as PDF right here and so forth. And even for audio right here, you will get a preview. You can go ahead and play it if you want to and so forth right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here onto let's say for example audio, and over here that is what you hear as just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and preview out files inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.